So hey guys, today I'm back again with another question on Codeforces, and this is a B level division 2 problem in a recent contest. So here you have given a number in each test case. Like this first number denotes the number of test cases, and for each test case you have given k number. Then uh, you need to arrange like if the number given k number is like 1, so you need to arrange starting from 1 to this given number in such that in a sequence such that the sum of like the sum of the subsequence should not be a perfect square. So what I mean to say, I can explain with this example here given. So first one is 1, so here answer is -1 because you can arrange one in only one possible way. You will write 1, so that is already a perfect square, so answer is -1. So then the second example is 4, so you have to arrange numbers from 1 to 4, like 1 2 3 4, in such a way that the sum of uh, sum of the numbers like subsequences should not be a perfect square. So always it will be start from the first number. So here you can see the first number is 2 and it is not a perfect square. Then 2 plus 4 it is 6 and it is not a perfect square. Then 2 plus 4 plus 1, so it is 7 and it is not a perfect square. Then 7 plus 3 10 and it is not a perfect square. So here whenever you have such a number, then you need to print that sequence. So I hope you have understood the question. So now coming to the logic part of this question is, so whenever you have a number given here, you just need to calculate the sum. So sum can be calculated like 1 to 4. Sum, the formula for that sum is 4 into 4 plus 1 divided by 2. So if you have a n consecutive numbers, then the sum of all those positive and consecutive number is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So if that sum is a perfect square, like it is a square of a number, integer number, then the answer is -1, like because at the end the sum is going to be a perfect square number. And if it is not, then you can arrange it in a manner so that this follow what written in the question. So same logic here I am applying in code, and for arranging this you need to just store all the numbers, like uh, here in case of second example 1 to 4. So first you will store 1 2 3 4 in an increasing manner in a vector, and then you start arranging these numbers in another vector, that is your answer vector. So you will start from beginning 1. If that number is a perfect square, or like you take a variable sum, and after adding each number to the sum, if that sum is going to be a perfect square, then you no need to add that number. You can add the next number present to it, and just swap the last number with the next number, so that the last number which is making the sum a perfect square, it can be added to the sum in the next step, because no two consecutive numbers can be a perfect square. So like if you write 1 2 3 4, so you can see first square number is perfect square number is 1, then second one is 4. Similarly, if you go on, 9 is a square of 3. So here you can see there is a difference between 1 4 9 16. So these 2 points are important for converting this logic into code. So coming to the code part, so t is the number of test cases, then for each test case you are taking input in k, and then you are calculating the sum and storing in this sum variable. So I have took long because here it is range of the numbers are given, it is 5 into 10 to the power 5, so it will exceed your integer limit. So then you have calculated the sum, and then here you will check whether sum is a perfect square or not. If it is a perfect square, then you print -1. If it is not, then you take two vectors, that is store, like storing the number 1 to k in increasing manner, and the answer is for printing the answer sequence. So you store here through this loop, and then uh, in a sum variable you start trying adding the each number which is present in store one by one, and here you check whether the sum is a square, perfect square number. If it is a perfect square, then you subtract the last added number which is you added here, and then you add the next number to the sum and make the next number equal to the subtracted number, like this last number which you have subtracted it. So if the sum is not a perfect square, then you can just directly put that number which you have added in your answer vector. So this is the whole code, and at the end you print that answer vector. So this is the whole code for this question, and I hope you have understood. If not, you can ask your doubt in the comments. Thank you for watching this video.